What's up, guys? Welcome to Extreme Daily Drivers, where we are always balling on a budget and wrenching in our garage. I'll be honest with you, days like this I normally don't even film. It is miserable outside. It is like windy, cold. It's been misting sometimes a little bit here and there. It's like 58 degrees. Normally at 58 degrees I don't leave the house. But anyway, got a good one for you today. We're gonna quiet the muffler down on the old lewd here. It's way too loud. I'm gonna give you a taste of it in a minute. It's currently header 2.5 inch mandrel bent piping to the HKS Super Dragger muffler. So check it out. There she is. And the thing looks killer. I mean, dude, look how sick that looks. But unfortunately, it's also way too loud. So that's what we're gonna address today. And let me show you what I got to quiet this thing down. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. But I wanna show you guys, before we get it installed, what we're installing. Here it is, check it out. Come on, you can do it. This is, hopefully it doesn't tip off this seat and smash. Boom. All right, this is a 14 inch, not a resonator. This is an actual muffler. So you can look inside there. Got this guy off of Amazon. There'll be a link down in the description if you're interested in getting one for yourself. But stainless steel, nice welds, got really good reviews online, and it's supposed to really help with the drone on this car. So that's what we're gonna get installed today, and hopefully it's gonna make hella difference. So let's go ahead and get the lewd all started up. This thing hates cold weather, so it'll be a minute before it gets warm to temp, but I'm gonna give you a really good taste of what this currently sounds like, and then hopefully on the ride home, we have a dramatic difference. So fingers crossed. All right, guys, welcome to the rattle machine. Woo! I'll tell you what, sometimes making these videos, God, that rattle back there is terrible. Sometimes making these videos is a real pain in the butt. I almost left the house without the muffler. Can you imagine if I would have gotten all the way there with the muffler? But anyway, this is a little first person shot here of what it looks like to drive the lewd. Listen to all the rattles. Wow, that makes such a big difference. Hey, comment below if you know how to tighten this up, because I've never messed with it. I'm sure it's simple. It's probably 2 Phillips head screws, but go ahead and comment below. Tell me how to do it. What do you think of the shifter? Comment below. I think it turned out killer. Still may do something finishing piece around here. I'm not sure yet, but I do have an idea of what I want to do underneath here. Let's see if we can get a nice pull here. And we're going to a green light. Oh my gosh, this traffic is horrendous. Hope you guys heard the exhaust a little bit there. Don't you love it when 2 cars drive the exact same speed, the exact same distance apart, so that no one can get around? And what a surprise that they're 2 SUVs. I guarantee soccer moms behind the wheels. This is the most ridiculous thing in the world. This is why people get cut off, because they do dumb stuff like this. Yeah, bye. Let people through. Alright guys, it's been a couple days, much nicer weather right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start to lube up so you guys can hear the exhaust. I got a camera mounted on the trunk, so hopefully it really hears the tone. But overall, it's made a dramatic improvement, a lot less drone. It was really hard to hear in the clips that I filmed earlier the other day, but dude, it was really bad. It was awful sounding. So it's much better now, much more mellow, especially on the highway. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and let me get it started up. That's going to wrap this one up, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button, please subscribe, and leave a comment below if you enjoyed this video. Let me know how to fix the dash if you know how to do that. I want to give a shout out to Junior, who helped me weld on the extra muffler. Go ahead and check out his YouTube page again. It's Lewis Phillips Jr. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Later.